If you've ever wondered why your chest freezer feels warm on the outside, well, it's pretty simple. It's scientific. Inside, this freezer is pulling heat out of the food. Well, that heat has to go somewhere. So it's going to the outside of the cabinet. And that's why it'll feel warm. It may feel warmer than usual if you've installed a lot of unfrozen food, and that can last up to 24 hours. Some other factors that can contribute to this is initial startup of the freezer from room temperature. That's when you first buy this particular freezer. Also, loading fresh food or food that is near room temperature, that will cause the outside to heat up as well, and heavy usage during certain times of the day. So if the rule of thumb is, don't put more than 2 to 3 pounds per cubic foot of unfrozen food in your freezer.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.